Good day guys, welcome where maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the surface area of a cone. Now make sure you stick along and watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. So in order to find the area of a cone guys, what we need is the area of its base. So area of base plus the lateral surface area, LSA, lateral surface area. Right guys, now as you can all see here, the base is a circle. Therefore finding the area of the base would be pi r square plus the lateral surface area would be pi rs or pi rl, where s is the slanting height. Alright guys, now what we have here is we have the radius as 3 centimeter, the r as which is the radius, it is 3 centimeter, and the slanting height which is 5 centimeter. So now let us plot these values in this formula. So we would have pi multiplied by 3 square plus pi multiplied by 3 multiplied by the slanting height which is 5, right guys? So we would have pi times 9 plus pi times 15 which is equal to 9 pi plus 15 pi which is equal to 24 pi, right guys? Now if we do not want to write this as the value of pi, let us substitute the value of pi as 3.14. Let's use the use of a calculator, and we would have approximately 75.36 centimeter square, right guys? 75.36 centimeter square. Now let us go to question number 2. Again, the TSA is equal to pi r square plus pi rs, right guys? So let us plot the values in this formula. So we would have pi multiplied by the radius which is 5 to the power of 2 plus pi multiplied by the radius which is 5 multiplied by its slanting height which is 10, right guys? So we would have pi multiplied by 25 plus pi multiplied by 50 which is equal to 25 pi plus 50 pi which is equal to 75 pi. Now if we take the value of pi as 3.14, we should have an answer which is approximately 235.5 centimeter square. Alright guys, now that is how we would find the surface area of a cone. Now if you did like this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and do not forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now until next time guys, have a nice day.